Now, when we are talking about the innovation, innovation is like it is a significantly, when we are talking about a disruptive innovation specifically, it significantly alters the way business operate, and probably it will give the displacement of the market considering the products which are there or the services which are already there. So, there will be, as name suggests, there will be a complete disruption. The market will be disrupted and it will replace the existing product or services in that particular sector, in that particular domain where exactly the disruption is happening, where exactly disruptive innovation is happening. And in short, what happens that because of that it creates a new markets. That disruptive innovation creates a new markets. Now, innovation, when we focus on innovation, we have a different, we are aware about a different types of innovation as a modular innovation, architectural innovation, sustainable innovation, right? Then the radical innovation. Okay, so incremental innovation, we are aware about these types. We are now focusing on a disruptive innovation. So, in disruptive innovation, it is completely impacting the market. So, if you see the example